Okay, can you see my slide?
Boleh teacher, boleh nampak.
Anyone? Okay, so this is the homework we need to discuss today, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we start with mind test 6.1e. So this is question number 1a. So the diagram below shows circle with center O. Calculate the value of x. So here 35, here also 35. Then you need to calculate this angle. So this is diameter. So here is 90. So in order to calculate the value of x, 180 minus 90 minus 35. So answer 55. Next, question number 1b. So since angle at center is 50, so angle at circumference is 25. So this is radius. So x equals to 25. So actually you don't need to calculate the angle here because x equals to 25 because this is isosceles triangle. Okay, number 1c. So this is 5 cm, this is 10 cm. So if the angle here is 110, so angle here should be half of this angle. So 55. If the angle 55, angle at center 55, so angle at circumference must be half of this angle. So x equals to 55 divided by 2. So this is the answer for x. Number 1D. So this angle is 120, same as this angle. So this is also x because this is radius. So this is isosceles triangle. So to calculate x, 180 minus 120, then we divide by 2. So x equals to 30. Okay, next question number 2. The diagram on the right show a semicircle with center O. Determine the value of x plus y. So since this is diameter, so angle at here 90 degree. Angle here is 18 because this is radius, this is radius. So angle here equals to this angle. So first calculate the value of y. Y is 180 minus 18 minus 18. So this is the value for y. Now, value of x, since this is 90 degree, so in order to calculate this angle, 90 degree divided by 18. Then you will get x 180 minus 18 minus 90. This one is actually use this triangle. So to calculate x, 180 minus 18 minus 90. So x equals to 72. So x plus y equals to 144 plus 72 equals to 260. Question number 3. The diagram on the right show a circle with center O. If the length of arc AB equals to PQ, calculate the value of x plus y. So y equals to, okay, first you need to calculate this angle. This angle equals to 40 because this is 20, so angle at circumference 20, so angle at center 40 twice. So y equals to 180 minus 120 minus 40. Then y equals to 20. Next, calculate the value of x. Since this is diameter, so here is 90 degree. And angle here is 20. Because length BA equals to PQ. So PQ angle at circumference 20. So BA, arc BA also 20. Then you will get the value of x. So x plus y equals to 90. Okay, that's all for my test 6.2 E. Any question?
No,
Before we
teacher.
proceed.
Teacher.
Yes? Okay?
Okay, teacher. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Next, we proceed to mind test 6.1 F. Question number 1. Okay. Angle here 70. So here is 35. So this angle equals to this angle because this is radius. So if here 35, here also 35. Since this is isosceles, because these two sides equal, so here also 35. So theta 180 minus 35 minus 35 equals to 110. B, calculate the length of PQ in cm. Correct to 3 significant figures. So PQ is here. So you can use sine 40. So sine is soft. So this is opposite. This is hypotenuse. Opposite of 40 degree is PQ. Hypotenuse is 16. Here given in the question. Given that the diameter of the circle is 16. So RP is diameter, so RP equals to 16. Then PQ equals to sine 40 degree times 16. You get 10.3. So this is the answer correct to 3 significant figures. Question number 2. The diagram on the right shows a circle with center O. Given PQ equals to QR, here, angle PSQ equals to 30, angle SPR equals to 32. Calculate the value of x plus y plus z. So as you can see here, y equals to z. Sorry, y is this angle, all of this angle. So first, you can calculate the value of x. Okay. OP and OR is the radius. So angle here is 35. Sorry, 32. Same as this angle. So you can calculate the value of x. 180 minus 32 minus 32. So next, you can calculate the value of z. Z equals to 30 because same as the value at S, because come from the same arc PQ to the circumference. So Z equals to 30. If Z equals to 30, then Y also equals to 30. So X plus Y plus Z equals to 116 plus 30 plus 30, which is 176. Okay, question number 3. The diagram on the right shows a circle with center O. Given that PS is parallel to PO and angle TSP is 44 degrees, calculate the value of x plus y. So this is x, this is y. So you can use what you have learned in Form 1, which is alternate angle. So zigzag. So if here 44, so here also 44. So if here 44, here also 54, because this is radius. Okay, next you can calculate the value of x. Value of x. Okay, first you need to calculate this angle first. This angle equals to 180 minus 44 minus 44. Then you will get 92. So to calculate the value of x, 180 minus 92. So x 88. Y is the angle at the circumference. So up to half of this angle at center. So y equals to 44. 88 divided by 2. So x plus y equals to 88 plus 44 equals to 132. Okay, that's all for my test 6.1. 6.1F. So, any question, girls, before we proceed to the new subtopic?
Teacher.
Okay, so now we move to new subtopic. Which is cyclic quadrilateral, part 4. Okay, our learning standard. Recognize and describe cyclic quadrilateral. So what do you know about cyclic quadrilateral? A cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral in a circle. Okay, quadrilateral in a circle where all four vertices, setiap bucu, all four vertices of the quadrilateral lie on the circumference of the circle. Okay, the all the vertices must lie on the circumference. So PQRS in the diagram on the right is a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle P and R, these two angles are known as opposite angle. Opposite angle. Angle S and angle Q also opposite angle. Okay, so have a look at this example. Example 8. For each of the following circles, O is the center of circle. So O is the center of circle. Identify the cyclic quadrilateral found in each of the above circle and explain your answer. So have a look at diagram 1 here. As you can see, point D not lie on the circumference. So this is not cyclic quadrilateral. For diagram 2, all four vertices lie on the circumference. So yes, this is cyclic quadrilateral. For diagram 3, as you can see, there is one point or one vertex not lie on the circumference. It lie on the center. So this is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, remember, cyclic quadrilateral, all the four vertices must lie on the circumference. Okay, so for diagram 4, vertex P, S, R, and Q all lie on the circumference. So this is cyclic quadrilateral. Diagram 5, as you can see here, not lie on the circumference. So this is not cyclic quadrilateral. So I hope you understand how to identify cyclic quadrilateral in circle. Simple. Just look at all the vertices. If all the vertices lie on the circumference, then that's a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So for question B, state the opposite angle. So only for cyclic quadrilateral have opposite angle. For non-cyclic quadrilateral, so there is no opposite angle. So that's why for B1, no, B3, no, and B5 also no, none. Because there is no opposite angle because dia bukan cyclic quadrilateral. So for cyclic quadrilateral, there is an opposite angle. For diagram 2, angle D and angle F. So this is opposite angle. Also angle E and angle G. For diagram 4, angle P and angle R, as well as angle Q and angle S. Okay, this is your homework. Mind test 6.2a. So this is the second learning standard. And this one very easy. So the opposite angle, the sum of opposite angle equals to 180. So x plus y equals to 180. P plus Q equals to 180. Simple je. Okay, have a look at this example. So to calculate the value of x, So 8x and 104 is opposite angle. So 8x plus 104 equals to 180. 104 plus 8x equals to 180. Then you need to solve this lah. So first you transfer 104 to the right hand side. So here plus, so here minus. Then you divide by 8. You get the value of x equals to 9.5 degree. So for B, the value of y, so 4y plus 98 equals to 180. 4y plus 98 equals to 180. Then you minus 98, then get the answer, you divide by 4. Then you will get the value of y. That's all. So this is your homework, mind test 6.2b.
Teacher tu buat dekat Maxi juga ke?
Ya, masih buku yang sama sebab masih bab yang sama.
Okey, teacher.
Lain? Okey, kalau tak ada, so kita stop kat sini. Boleh start buat homework. Homework hari ni boleh hantar. So besok kita akan discuss homework hari ni lah. Okay, bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye teacher, thank you teacher.
You're
Thank you, teacher.
welcome. Welcome.